This is Embotty, and I am creating a tutorial for you guys. This is my first ever drawing tutorial, so I hope you like it. So I'm going to start off by drawing some octopuses. So first start by drawing this. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then you can draw some feet. That you can draw as many feet as you want. It just can't be over 8 because octopuses have 8 legs. Then you can draw some eyes. For my octopuses, I make them the little cutesy eyes. Start off by drawing 2 circles, then drawing littler circles inside. You can make the circles and the eye whatever colour you want. And I usually do the cutesy mouth. You can do whatever mouth you want. Sometimes I do eyebrows. I just do little lines like this. You can add decorations on mine. I'm making mine the character called Zong. I've made books about them. You don't have to do this character. You can create a character or find some little octopuses on an iPad, a TV, or on a computer, or whatever software that you can have pictures with. You can look up octopuses or create them. Now I'm going to draw another octopus. Start off with doing the same thing, or you can do some different shapes. This octopus is going to be my favourite octopus. Actually, I don't have favourite octopuses, but this one is really cool. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. I add little zigzag lines for their noses. This one has freckles. You can add freckles on any of your octopuses to make them unique or look really cool.